is up, y'all? And we're back again with another video. It is V8 today. It's gonna be a little car meet day. I'm linking up with my friend Jackie. She's the one with the blue Mustang, the EcoBoost. So hard, so clean, and I love the blue. But yes, we are currently on the way right now. We're gonna meet up at this spot. It's like a restaurant. Oh, the Oasis in Austin. So currently on the way right now to that. Right now we're linking up, and then we're going to this little meet. So I just want to take y'all along with me. I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna do a POV, but I'm going at a time where it's like traffic right now, like 5. Y'all already know, like that time around like 5, 6. It's like hella traffic. So if I do a POV, I just feel like I'm literally just gonna have just traffic, and then I'm gonna have to cut it. So I didn't want to do a POV there, but I will do a POV when we're driving to the meet. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for the support. And yeah, that's all I want to say. I catch y'all in the Oasis. Bye. Oh, and appreciate the people who told me what these were. Oh my god, changed my life. You know how easy it is to turn music down and change the song now? Yeah. What's up, y'all? We're back. We got the Oasis, we got all the cars. We got Scat, Black Body, Blue 5, you know. And that's Jay, Dory, y'all know him. We got another Scat, another Scat, another Scat, and then there's me. But then we got another Scat. But yeah, y'all, we just made it to the Oasis. Right now, we're just getting some pictures. I just wanted to update y'all. Sorry, it's so sunny right now. Look at it, sir. But yeah, we literally taking pictures, and then I'm about to do a POV to the meet, the car meet that we're gonna go to. It's about like 20 minutes away, so I'm gonna do a little POV there because we got everybody here now, and the POV will be much better. So yeah, and it's supposed to be like if y'all know Austin, it's a lot of like windy, narrow roads, which is really good for POVs. So I'm gonna catch y'all. We're done taking pictures, videos, and yeah, catch me on the gram at v.ate345. Look at the Instagram pictures there, y'all. Yep. Jade is live. Oh my god. We are currently getting out, y'all. Fun POV, y'all. Ooh, everyone got their hazards on. Riding on Austin's road. This is beautiful. If only y'all could see it through my lens. I feel like the camera don't do justice. Mopar taking over. Oh, I gotta text my girl Jackie. Hold on. Yeah. Some but the B5 blues. What heat we got this meet. I'm excited. Are y'all excited? Hey, look at me, y'all. Is that Jackie? Is that my girl Jackie? That's my girl Jackie, y'all. I was like, wait, what the fuck? Jackie! I was like, wait, I know that's not her. Hey! That's my girl Jackie. You might be on camera? Yeah, it's my okay, this is my girl Jackie. It's her little eco boost I was telling y'all about. That's my fun little YouTube. Oh yeah, we park right here. It's a little heat over here.
The black wing B, not a CTS. Not a CTS B. The CTS B. Black.
That was fast as fuck.
You ain't got 50 more to 6, though. You ain't got 50 more to 6, though. God damn.
He had to put the windows down.
Hey, the super.
Fast as fuck. I fuck with it.
Yeah. Back.
Ah shit, he's shiesty. You know, he's shiesty. Yeah, y'all. It's a little meat here. I didn't know it was at a bank. This is crazy. I didn't know they allowed this.
This is the first car meet I ever came to.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
At a bank is crazy.
I was like, should I get off?
This is nice though.
If I got it out of you, I wouldn't drop no other out of you.
Oh my god. Come on.
But you know how they be doing it. They be doing like street accidents. You know they have to
Oh, it's my dream car.
It wasn't worth that much anymore, but it's still like it's a great car. They're still nice. They're great cars. If you're crashing to mine, I wouldn't. Crystal Funk. I'm Traviso. Almost it's the original logo. That's about it. The original about it is the same.
I wonder why they got 64. She got a bird in her hand. Am I tripping? Oh, she got a bird in her hand. Damn, this color is nice. That brown.
I'll leave this motherfucker. Crazy.
Hellcat.
That's what you're trying to do. You got the orange.
That's why he talking to me.
Yeah, no, no.
Damn.
On the back of that.
I want to help. Okay, Sippy. Some beamers. Damn. See, I like this face.
It's bright.
Like he did his shit with the carbon fiber. Damn. And then we got the Hellraiser shaker. Sheesh. I don't see a lot of this purple. I don't see a lot of this purple.
Purple though is nasty.
Oh, but this color is so nice.
Got the SS with the fucking heat tempered tip.
This looks nice. With the hood
I didn't
pin,
even notice you said challenge.
wide body. So sexy. So I line up right here. And then we had the rims from Mopar. And then we got Jackie, of course. Hey. Still that fast shit though. But out of bank is so crazy, y'all. This is so insane. But I'm finna end it off right here. We finna just relax, chill, look at the whips, and if something new come up, I'll probably include it. But I'm gonna end it right here. I hope y'all have a good one. You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Peace out, y'all.